this time around Osisu dia po say former flag bearer aye Dr. Mahmoud Bo oya true for men to abama no etina sa asem we nko antina Kennedy say asem nko to abama na aja akaka na didi aka yire
onyama abonten Ken de nana Ken sa wo hweme a upew wo ba be di base adim sa wo pew umpew we da prokro because Ghana na say you are the person we need so baba be save here. Na se wugina party we ekodi wo manim ka se wo ma me save Ghana dia edu why be hihye wo so wo de na de abrew because Ghana bre and we need you to be the leader. Look at how the youth nana say apostle registration bi no
yes
obusa nana base wasi base no hwan de anim no so can
amba order
base no kwa ka
order for waka asem bi mame
so ka base no kwa na
mame so memre mu ansa de akọ
wada roma
mame memre mu ansa ne yakwa
yo wabusuafo na so da foforo official Atija TV adodo no friend the Base TV and na yehia mu ewa hai o se Base job for the youth the Base Ghana first the Base o se yemfa no corruption ebeka ho it means that transparency and accountability is also very key to us no kra wo mu nyina nse yeguso a yehhehye niema na yede information ahodo nyina eyeden ebremu kwasi kwate akodi nkomo bi na nukure ni akwasi kwate de enka minim se waba bontia beka ne clear ai ena Kennedy MPP mu enka baabia me de mentehwe onkoti the Base bia ene ade afede abrantie ya san ko kire no ne ye ne interview afede abrantie ntimi nkasa straight to enu tena me ka kire o se mo akoma nto ye wate mo akoma nto ye na wati abo bi so nana enka be ya o me pese ye nyewe ye be kwakọhwe ababa wo bibi kakra bi ka ye kokọhwe ba no ye wo a communication member wo UK e wo friends on the Base na ono so de na no disem e ba betudwa de wo kan no wo si on de wontimi nkasa ma ono abo Kennedy Japan emfa Base na hona Base ne wo ne kandifo na nei wo be bie na no se isi akoka se ono abo kan nipa ne bisan se Base no can ate no asanhye ana o say how do you me hear danka ho asem also ntimi nka ho asem na communicators wo ho wole bibi kakra yi kura na kira ahwefo say omo wo vim say vim bi wo ho vim bi wo ho na no so I think say me kote say I think say yi na me te say yi o say video bi a ye be ye ho yi a ye kasa ala ne Base focus here. People are, connecting it to the point. Oh, and the Alan here then about don't forget it. Don't forget it. Don't forget it, forget about that. Me say the enemies here then no. I don't want some the eka. Alan, everybody join here. You be geno where too. But nana the entire one near prayer where gidi I pay Base in the ideologies of Kennedy Japan. The policies of Kennedy Japan. I don't think I will any abre. Enyanwa na yenko.
Me da so therefore me chia ahwefo ne atifo nyina na me koso sere mo se mo hwe screen so na subscription button no aso saa wo so wo hu sa shine white sa fansa boso na subscribe na afi wo meka ekuo no. Nyame anim no kure ni kwasi kwa aten de du ba bia ya na medine ho yaw bebre wo TV station o se radio station a wo tetetete no ho na asoma ho na asoma se kone ko kansem ko yesi na se be wo kura wo nyanim guasefo a wo ho no nyanim guasefo a eye den na wo ne kenam na wo di kanachi enim se kan ni papa obetumi abu o man no na nne no wo pese wo sese wa no se yakoto aba na ya nwini nti no ya da bio se wo ye ni papa na se unyansa pa e wo soro wo ye ni papa na unyansa wo soro na wo ye ni pa boni ni a hwe de o man Ghana that is why me da bia me kan unim enipa ene me kasa enipa bebre ne me kasa adan ya we dey aseja ye nya koyi mabu na me si yakoyi no a ene wo betena hwa wia kosi na wie ye se pass Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because we are say ne of friend before kan no say ye say mo fra we nanka na se wo ye pani
wa anka ho asem
sa na wo ye pani wo trafie so ma se duafo a ye de na eba definitely ade sa e komba ne ye no aduane e be kire de ye bedi enti enka nkire me se adan ya Honorable Kennedy Japan se sia no ya wie enti na eden ya oda so ya MPP ni na se ni a pe oba bi kire na wonni adwuma papa bi aya ko pe ebo bi me hye
so ya lawyer nti won kokko
na Musa MPP fo na ya wusi mu ye nipa boni fo na fe ni ye humo pa wusi mi ko ka kire ya se ba Mamudu Bawumia o ya trofo Mamudu Bawumia nya nipa se to abama na ne waka kire me se me nkoto abama mu ofu se majimi minim nyanza na tama aka kire se Mamudu Bawumia ya trofo na sebe we ko hwini a ya to abama na eje yiye no enne de ofu se ma dwen ko machi ana se ma dwen na dane ana ya simitri ase anu ntukwasi kwatie wo ne wapamfo munya hweye da ba bibia wo boboko no emfa na munya asabi jimi no me kasa asemu ya na me yent me kan ma me ni patam every say untime nka nche Honorable Kennedy Japan say ko jeba bi ka say our former flag bearer Dr. Mamudu wo ya trofo o ya zan mamu ntu abama na Kennedy wasa be ka che say me ko to abama na wo Kennedy wa dwen adwuma ansa o kan sase mu echema Kennedy no wadwe adwuma etu o ka chem so ye de baboni ni na sabe wo se na mensa ngoto abama na o tu ye de baboni ni because person o man say yes me ka kire o
me no ya adwene say o say nipa no e wo m say ukodi Kennedy achi ema Kennedy kan wa kan so wo ya trofo no some of us we believed in Kennedy Japan
that is it
say Mamudu Bawumia twatro
that is it
but what I say Paulugu down o se wo ye eba ye no wasan dane na no say even one fanano an kakra $12 million ya hu ba bi escanafa mahama bai wantima mo akonta bia enti next Kennedy katre ye say ye nkonkodi MPP achi a na chase ye hu ne ye
ena me ka say next pasa wa dwen da trimete say
enti meba ayi e fan say kwasi kwatin wo kwasi kwatin dinti no di Kennedy achi everything the master can say some of us
afraid they all with the kwasi kwate eka ai Ghana fo num bia no mo believe in the ideology me say MPP ni bia start so ka brofo pe no ya kromfo o ye nipa boni ni Ghana nipa bia o MPP mu so odusu o defend ade bi no de dane brofo pe o ye nipa boni ni chese sankofo no ene ono ba champion no se de na ba so de na ba na de wo ho no hunim brofo ka wo pe president di anye wo na ko sai obi anim no we ye nipa wo jina wo no ye bia ye do di president man ye enye ona ko sai obi anim
enya ne ye hwese benya ogia
eti kwasi kwate de nyame anim no kure ni so oye nim guasefo anka Ghana kwase so otime ne nam Ghana o nse so otime yi na nim
fa ne kwa to gwa na
wet na bi on wetime yi wanim ene wetime yi wanim epese okọ adas e ka kire yen se yen konkoto abama Bawumia na wo wadwe kwasi kwate wadwe ye adwuma nka abeka se ya kire me kwasi kwate wadwe eye adwuma pa correcta etu be kasa asemu ya kire me na asem na wo kan yese Mamudu Bawumia ntimi mu man no enne de ye mfa nkoma no na mu nyina mo yefunu ntia we na kire sampa no ya kwonfo
wo party mu a enne de ankowafa hwe de o man ne ye
mo nyi o man Ghana mu nyina mo furu keke afanyo ma kenom chebe nsa bo sumu kra de so de o ma se da no mu gu onte no problem bia ni o na kwasi kwate no stekanom mu nyina mo furu sei ena hiamo na me tie se Kennedy Japan enti ne yehwe na nyame ncha de da Kennedy Japan be bie na no se me anase base member anase Ghana ni bi nkoto abama friend say enkoto abama friend say Mamudu Bawumia no last hwan yi ana oye ya odi Bawumia cha ye di no eno de ye wo reason ni wo reason eti problem bi ani ho
sa wo se
na
ba bia wo de won kana no
ene kura no sa abre no wan campaign heavy sa ese Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ye trofo
dabi this time de
because last 2023 no wan Sisudua but this time around o Sisudua pro say former flag bearer Dr. Mamudu o ya trofo man to abama no etina sa asem we nko antina Kennedy say asem nko to abama na aja Kennedy de ka ba yire
onyama abonten Ken de nana Ken sa wo hweme a upeu wo ba be di base adim sa wo peu umpeu we da krokro because Ghana ne say you are the person we need so baba be save here na say we gina party we ekodi wo manim ka say wo ma me save Ghana dia edu why be hihye wo so de na de abrewo because Ghana bre and we need need you to be the leader. Look at how the youth nana say apostle registration be no.
Yes.
Obusa nana base was he base in one day anymore. No so can
and back or therefore what can say be my base in one my miss member man san my member man san yakwa ko kwasi kwaten na udi bibi wetu mu say edipa bia adwen ye omo say be your friends Kennedy ama Kofa Lanka hwe ma menka sa asem we ma obiara nte ne ho ase clear base vision ni ye mienu
yeah
either say Kennedy Japan ebe wini ebeba ana say MPP party emma Ghana politics mu biem niema mienu that is the agenda of the base obi afo say mebua bia na onyini ti no nka nchem agenda no the enti make say agenda no therefore enie base no sabi obi ani ewiase mu a oye Ghana ni a oto abama ni yeye say ye ka say base ba na ni agi a oba no say ye obia nipa bia keke e na ebedi base ani ma me mo base din wasase we so bia
dabi o dabi
ye ni wo wa ye hwe na
ala na nte ho
ote ne ho
no wo ma no mo ye we afoken ade no man ko hwe
eti mo bia relate sa asem me je hoze si odefo de mama ni je eni se base no form lativia
woni me de Canada me ma tie no de ayama
me say de mama ni je se base ye yan party ayate
ye dia
tam ne so na ye se Kennedy so oma ye betimi atena se ayentu aba ye betena se yentu aba because at the end of the day same MPP betimi aba power there agenda ne ba kono no see a same MPP party no
na
straight away because MPP ntimi medi o man so ensam fa ye nkoye chibiem
beba enu nti na make say epanyimfo ne wo base mu sesi ano so omo nim ne ya omo nhate ententem no omo ne kan omo wo secret bi omo ne nka because sa ideology na akwa say mama me am kendi wo de mama me
no che
base
na mo base mo say nipa mo ko say Ghana mo say Ghana ya jimi
ye ton base
mo say Ghana ya jimi
ye to me bia
odefo mo say Ghana ya jimi wutie say Alanka said obi anka so onye fine gentleman but the ideas of Alanka so obi ahia no ha Alanka no ntia PP party no e na afone bone ne tantan obi na no ka bian
e de no ka e
de tia nipa di Canada Japan tia nipa ni abre wo Canada Japan hu nyina ne say nipa sebe se owo fie na se ne badi bone a otime ka say nipa no ode
ye no ka tell me say me ka base asama me nyi Canada Japan film na ka be baba betra ha be de we
na dem
o say nya Canada Japan ka be baba ye we masa pa ifo no mo
therefore yan kan okure 2024 therefore wo de wo be kan okure 2024 wo to aba na wan to aba
me to aba
me ye question ye want to one after the other therefore 2024 to aba na wan to aba okay na like what in one friend PP party man as one tin one so what to aba ma hwan
me ko to aba ma ba omia
that is it
all because na minim say Kennedy wadache because na minim say ba omia won wini
yes
because Ghana for so mo mpe no
etinka unim se ba omia onwin no sister wala ho ntinka koto se no wala ho esusu anto anse na e de na beba mo wasesa wa adwen se okoto aba ma ala
Kennedy ma husa ne da ache no tran people boy enkoyi
that is it
debate ne betima boy
edu ntin ene no de ye kama obi ati
fa Kennedy meba alante ne ho meba
ote ne ho
electoral commission otimi ye bibi
o ma ya hwe o contest
e tina obi betimi ahame Kennedy
obi ani ho
emra ni ho
obi ani ho ehye ne mra nyina ho
na de nke beto aba wo Ghana point na ye make nyina say yenyi ni ama Kennedy
na mo pese mo kase mo kase asemo ya
meba kwasi kwati de tia mebuafu no o se base for panyimfo ne ba ko kan se ko hu kan na se wa anya yi a odipa foforo na eba don't forget it
no de enya djuma na me no ka say hia odi opa Mr. Ana Dr. Otibonsu
onyina be na timi
therefore me ba yanka no kre me gina fide kase esu aka say Dr. Otibonsu se wasasem aye kan ye boa na ope no kra onyina simpie su no onka say Canada Japan a friend kokwa mu se onyini di mfiri base mu enu nti no meba enu nti no ene aye kase okofa Alankash ene dia bedi animu na fe won hwa de se base ne antin to fom se sia
am from forget it se wonim na yankɔ video ne bra yakɔ ba e ba bedi nkobo I think say ogidi no ya ntimi anwa no to de ya hwa na yen trash we into yen cover video nimra.
Me, I came to speak for the MPPO. I didn't come to speak for the base. You see, yesterday,
What, it doesn't exist?
You see, the people championing the base are not anonymous. They are people who has faces. So if
Do you know them?
I know some of them, just like you also know some of them. So
Has it been sanctioned by
I can give
Kennedy
you,
Japan?
I can give you their contact. You speak to them. It's a question that you
Has
see,
the base been sanctioned by Kennedy Japan?
I'll answer you, but
Thank you very
respectfully.
much.
I'll answer you respectfully. But you see, today, whilst I was coming, I was pondering over this question, and then I came to the realization that I am an Ankwanoma. A young man, I made them cry about for
it.
What is the reason? We went into a contest where I took side by campaigning for Honorable Kennedy Japan. I did my best that I could as a young man who served in that role, that capacity. We finished, of course, things did not align. I know my boss has not left the party. Even if you recall, the last video that he did thanking delegates, he had the party's flag hoisted beside him. That itself should tell you a lot of a message. But of course, there are also other young men and other party people, and of course, other Ghanaians who still believes in the man's vision and believe that some way, somehow, if he didn't get the opportunity here, they are also mobilizing themselves, of course, in an anticipation, based on what I've heard on radio, in an anticipation that maybe some way, somehow, they can get him or convince him to come and lead them so that he'll be able to propel his vision. Yesterday, I also heard one of them, they are leading leadership, one of their leadership saying that even if Ken doesn't accept to lead them, they may also get another person to even lead them. So I find myself in the middle of such a situation where at the same time I need to manage the situation so well, because ultimately it's reconciliation that we need as a party. I don't think the conversation should rather be restricted or limited to whether or not there is a certain base and what they seek to achieve. The conversation should rather come from why is there even a base in the first place? Are they disgruntled party members? Are there people whose expectations were not met? Are there people who feels that the system has not treated them fairly? Are there people who feels that there's some certain level of apathy in their own party? Are there people who are despair, who are living a life of hopelessness in their own party?
And you'll be answering all these questions.
Yes, so that leadership and of course all of us do find antidotes to some of these concerns of these people. We don't let it be that, oh, anytime Kwesi Kwarteng comes to radio, is it Ken who is sponsoring it? Is it Ken who is behind it? Yes, no. Today I come and say it's not Ken. The following day they will come and, of course, in an attempt to make the argument, they have to discredit me first. Oh, Kwesi Kwarteng is not even the spokesperson for Ken. He was, but not now. I came to speak on Ken's position on the base. I don't think I want to reiterate it. Whether or not I'm being honest or I have lied, Ken, thanks be to God, he's alive, he's not dead, and he's still in the country. If I lied with his name, he has the capacity to write a statement to say that I have not sent Kwesi Kwarteng to come and say ABCD. I am not going to talk about the base issues so much. I came to speak for the MPP, but of course I'm also unable to run away from its existence. But I will say that as a people, as a party, we should be more interested in the concerns that led to people starting such a body or such a movement.
Who are they?
They are Ghanaians. I've not seen any Ivorian or Nigerian in the base.
Are they MPP members?
I see Ghanaians. I think they are.
Star 103.5
you see,
FM.
I see the activities on social media like you see them.
Really?
Where they post, they are registering, they are doing this, they are doing this.
You are not aligned?
With the flyer that you did, didn't you see member of the New Patriotic Party? People make it present as though maybe every month I go and get a check from Kennedy Japan's house for being a spokesperson or something. I mean, it's a young man who believes in somebody's conviction, who worked for him. As of now, I still work for him. I am still a member of the party. I'm still part of the communications team. I believe that the party has made a decision. We all have to support Dr. Bawumia. So be it. But make it look, he's promoting himself. He is not even for Ken. Ken has not sent him. As if every month I go to Ken's place to collect money or I get paid for being a spokesperson. No, I'm not paid for that. I believe in him. I work with him, and on principles of loyalty, if you understand the role of a spokesperson, it's more personal and intimate.
Etina na se ukokotia one echire bibi but akwa no asa de wo ka no wo ye hypocrite na asa be ni nyansa wo fom no wo ka e true pa because there is no way I will bet my catch say someone wo kan ye e wo bra na touch ya e din tro e fen say akwa ya na pampa fita yi e te se me de yi ayi Keti Hamo wo nyina ka abronya ni nye di Kennedy atama wo ayi no na wo ka se Bawumia achidifo Bawumia tena se no wo hwe no wo na wo ka kire me se Kennedy da so MPP mu na wo mo se wo mo kohu no na se wa mpene ya wo be kofa ni baafro no eno de agya ama ye nya wasem wo no wo da so MPP mu akam because mun sankrofo gui and wo man na makoma so no mun mo fu nanam kwese kwa ate meme se wo na fu nanam
odafo ma mimi sa na fu na ma mimi sa question back odafo o papa owo obie na no ka kire o se uwie JHS
oh ya SHS
JHS junior high school
first there was JSS
JHS
yeah
so uwie JHS a odo ko SHS
yeah
afa o papa wa ka kire wo afa mpanifu ahemfu nyina bam asinkonya ka kire wo se mama no
nsime na accomplete wona won krofo bi etukwan
yeah
akodi djuma wutimu se nkabe boa opa
yeah
o papa se da bi me pese uwie JHS
okay
no akọ SHS
okay
uwie a wanya sabotri no afa bi a promise sponsor am akọ
okay
etitu aso ho
afa JHS no
wa sai ubi bia wo
okay afa JHS no ewie ye a wa wie o results ba wa pass o papa se de ade na duru no gise me de ko ahafo kwayem ema ukọbua kokofu ho
ye tena se no kan sa
enye sa na okan no eno nso secondly eno ye one eda ho ise JHS no SHS wa fo akọ odo ukọkwa yim akodo koko problem bi eno afa wasan no kokofu ni ma mu dofuo no dofuo no afa moduru ya du ba bi amu ba fie no wachim ja entise na aso awo afa dadi ejanim ye duro wose kwadwo ye duru aboye na edikan na mesoe wa mo ahome
okay
afa wodi uduru aboye na edikan na wa nkasa ade esa anwe ya na ya anase muduru aboye no kra wa nkasa no ane se ono na di wani mo watwam dadi ukasa aboye no o se besen eti sa papa we utirim ede na abeka kire no
china wo ka kire wo se china mese nsu abra okra wonyini
se me na bisa me ameka se me papa ye nipa boni ni papa na hwe ya yankupo pa na ni bedi ama me sa asem we obia se wutie me a na o hye shoe ni mu a wo beka sa asem we sa wo ye genuine person beka sa asem we eti se honorable Kennedy Japan adi kan akodi ba mudu ba omi achi wo bre kwa o kan se me nto aba ma no
ye de ache
no akọ
we love him
na ne
first time
ene usan se Mahmoud Bawumia ye trofo onye obi obetimi adi o my Ghana so abo o my Ghana na ye enu ntima ye nye de ye nye your friends say Bawumia ni nto aba ma no na se ne usan twa ho bako be ka kire ye se yensan ko asem ka usan twa ho be ka kire se yensan ko to aba ma o friend say owura Mahmoud Bawumia eti asema na wo Kennedy Japan wo ti sakwara bi kafa ho a obetime ya no sebe na chese niam abro nye no mo kani nyina ye ba ba gi adi sa yampa
ena tu ensam a wo kan wo campaign mu se wo no ti o ade ba ko e ma me hunu se Kennedy se wa nyini ti a ho obenya problem with us and say also this is the first time a Ghana for a sufre delegate say monto abama Kennedy Japan ni ye be ma na ye president no abe save Ghana Nana uti
me ti opa
just a can who can draw the tray na me say no ho but what I am saying is Dina why no eche
enti no
me say me first na me sabotra ba say no obra
the point ne say so ma bonten kura ne ade a wo a me ne wo kasa na enema mienu because na therefore obi frɛ ese ya tetire mframam se ya say Kennedy kura bia na wa mantini e kohwe bia na ala na say ubia ye base member bia boss asem ni to ye huro do brother sem obia do obetime ko fa ala ya be se obia kon ha se ala de opa ye pen se ala omna be dwane party no oba na obedwane a eduru ba bia ye se o se fata obenya but enchire se sebe na yen lodu ka ni ade anase wakotam driver bia kekaba be simu obra kwa
no what I'm saying is also make say car papa bia na nya driver na elodi
That is it.
VIP station driver no share the engine room man ya friend no aba no wa body suit kama no wa dress it na ne perfume no correct ne gule ho no de aba na mom se yeso ye ntimi nhwe se car ne ya papa nti na drunkard bi obi ono wa bro nsa sram o ba be wura mu nyina na bo ne ho se sram oba ye na wo tu no kra no ade na yeso de ko no de ko reverse ne ya hwa wo se ya tiramu ne ya konkran no kokku ye enya djuma
now therefore
who dey enya djuma
unim se me ne wo kase
mani fo me se enya djuma so mo ne kan nkasa ya mutu
therefore unim se me ne wo kase say impo doctor Otibo Nsu a die minute be ka kire se e obi foforo e na eba abedi the base anim wo bra kwa ken emie na no a asem a ye nyina be ka kire Otibo Nsu se wono so ye kofini papa oye true for the whole wiase upel true for wono dey dikai because adenti na wan kwa nkofa wan kan kire ye se obi a oba abedi animu ye moka edi kura e obi foforo e na ebedi animu na nka wa hwe se obenya nipa di wachi a
beginning no o kan say o say base for Ken. It is over here diaspora group na ete ye kura na eden
a base for Ken
diaspora
na even pokra say o kan say wo gina ba bia ka kire so wan to anu mutu ankasa ne ade a ye be kire evidence o first interview we ye no o kan say the base ba no o kan say e wom say honorable enye na adwene ene wa adwene de na nso una honorable nam ena unim ne e hye ho ena unim ne enti a e say base ne soreta eti wan kan kire say uti base akofa di pafufuro bi ade aba se saade a ene na base no ye dissolute no ye gu no gu a ye gu ni nyina ne se odike wo ho akpalu wo ho
obi an
chirabosom wo ho bo fe akoy wo besa ba yi o fe se chada wo ho alanchire matin wo ho akwayalega ayalega su wo ho sankofo we nyina wo ho ye be cheye mu no obi akoba bi wo ho enkobua ya no enkanje so obua ya no akofo obi fufuro de abedi so sene so obefa friend say alansu omra medi animu dia me nso be ka say equally yemfa friend say chada nso medi because omu nyina say obi anya MPP ni
yes papa unim de ye kan say yempesa ahwefo ewre ba ho na ana mo hu bibi mate bibi hwe we need not to hear, we need not to see before. Ya pasi ya kana leaders ya cautioned. No mo yo madwene say ade na ya kono base no the fapem no ejina Kennedy Japan so wo mo forget it. Obi ntimi nkwa tutu anoma ho mfa ne be kire ye mpanyimfo say anoma be ni. Obi ntumi nya saa enu nti no ye nyina ye ni abre say eye Kennedy ideologies ene edi akire. Me say why na timi etu ne ho asi ho asom Ghana a che Kennedy Japan on come here
da be or therefore me we nshem da ben na aspirants e wo Ghana nyina obi e president edi da ben na obi kofa anwa Ghana okitaye ebe kan say obetimi de kube adane anwa
nana
obetimi de friend say abro adane anwa da ben na obi koka bisa na fe waka chem so kotam obi de be di animu
nana
then enkofo ba be di animu no a eye domama ene ba wo mi asuban no abia
that is it Sankofo ni mienu nsusu no monyo this time you be hard leader.
Le pobi a sebe o ye
hard leader.
Le pobi a ye hard. Obetimi abo sutro. Sankofo abo pese mo do o mo ba no hwan na cabinet do obetimi abo obi sutro ho.
Me se ba bia Alan de no kwete me Max e ye bra UTV ye ni interviewer. Asabo ho.
Yes, Alan no ye di ne bone enso oba bonte kwate ne ho pontime nka.
Dabi anything make catch on masa me pe position bia wo. Assembly man kora me pe. Point no de Daniel beto
Kennedy Japan nya mani a wo hu nyina ne nsem a wotimi bie na no kai on na me dirty work ni ye twena so man mafia na fe ye nkofo obi emfa ne mra medi hwe niema Kennedy aye wo party no de abo nipa hwe na no me ne me papa bi kasai na asem o kan se afu asuasine gade nyame anim ni ono kra no saa woman no mpese obeka na se mo chiri ni kokokoko but Kennedy adi na tem ne nkwa na efiri wona mani dwa Kennedy ana me so Kennedy odi na tem se force Schwarzenegger ko di but your friends force Schwarzenegger ko di force Schwarzenegger e ko di Kennedy Japan papa ana ne maame ana ne nua no matem ana MPP for mpanifo na Schwarzenegger ga kodi wo matem e de ma Kennedy nso kodi na tem ene wakoko santo kwa we nyina de abenya yen no se ya beta na chi a wo se nkofo bi fufuro me abedi de base anim ya nya adwuma
ye kasa sesi ane se
nya adwuma
ya tese mpanyimfo be ha ye sremo de Kennedy de moma ne di ya ma ne di na ne
ya be ko so abo
obi enyo obi na be twe me se me support Kennedy Japan and base na me ma dia tuma me kasa ma me ko hu yinti nyina no Kennedy Japan
me say me so me therefore me de Kennedy ne e wa fidi kase so me de Kennedy ne Kennedy pa ompia bonten no nkase base for me srem mammo midin emfa nkase mbia biem ye hwese base awu a ebegu Odia me so Kennedy nyina ba bi nkase base ye ka no kura ni pantie do kure e Kennedy anya tan enne me so me pese nya tan
Dabi Kennedy a tan na wanya na dodo no ane do no it is our station we no de ye kanti e manipa wona opa hwe meba onso obi timi ba be ma comment bibi ni ane ade a de ye ne ya adwene o nana ye da wase nyame hira wo ba sa me ka no kura na be ka chen so no kura na wo kan de ja ka no me no nya adwene
me so therefore ma sem nie Kennedy nya simpie so me dere no se onya simpie so nka se base e free na ekro menimu ni asem bia biem ni e hwese base na betena ho a I tell you, I am truth. No crack ya, but meka.
Therefore, ye the more AC ha. Subscribe to the channel. We are hit. The hit is us. Yamishra.